Namaskar and welcome to Bharat Frontliners. India has slipped in the IMF's GDP rankings. Predictably, the headlines wrote themselves: India falls, India slips, India overtaken. But before we start writing the economy's obituary, let's ask a simple question: what exactly is GDP measuring? GDP, or gross domestic product, is the total value of everything a country produces in a year. Every car manufactured, every software service delivered, every hotel booking, and every farm harvest, it's all part of GDP. In simple terms, GDP is the size of an economy. Now, here's the part many headlines miss: India is still growing. In fact, India continues to be among the fastest growing major economies in the world. More goods are being produced, more services are being delivered, more infrastructure is being built, and the overall economy continues to expand. So, if India is growing, why the concern? Because when the IMF compares economies, it doesn't do so in rupees, yen, pounds, or euros. It converts everything into the US dollars. And that means GDP rankings are not just a measure of economic activity, they're also a measure of currency movements. Let's say India grows by 6%. Factories produce more, consumers spend more, businesses expand, infrastructures gets built. By every practical measure, the economy is larger than it was a year ago. But if the rupee weakens against the dollar, the growth looks smaller when translated into dollar terms. So India can be producing more and yet appear to be gaining less. Think of it this way: if you measure your height in centimeters, you haven't become shorter. But if someone suddenly changes the ruler, your ranking in the room might. The economy didn't shrink, the measuring stick changed. And that's why GDP ranking often make for dramatic headlines, but incomplete analysis. Because a country's economic reality is not lived in dollars. It is lived in jobs created, businesses started, roads built, goods produced, and incomes earned. Which brings us to the bigger question: are GDP rankings measuring economic strength, or are they also measuring the strength of a country's currency? Because sometimes a nation can run faster than before and still appear to lose ground on a leaderboard. And that is the GDP ranking myth. Breaking the myths for you, this is Urvashi Sharma. Bharat in front, you in focus. Keep watching Bharat Frontliners. Namaskar.